Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Qamar Sumaira from the Department of English, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. So we are moving towards our new segment of lectures, which is our textual analysis of various kinds of text from literary to non-literary perspective. Your lecture, this week's lecture 27 and 28 will be definitely dependent on some non-literary text to be explored, and the next lectures would be about the literary text to be explored stylistically. So I have chosen the advertisement of Surf Excel for you people whose text will be available to you as you attend your class with the teacher which is prescribed to you. So when you look at the picture or the text of the advertisement of Surf Excel, you would have to develop a plan, a stylistic plan, that how would you explore this text. Your analysis plan must include the short description of the visual imagery or the image that is provided to you, like the color of the picture, like the use of the background, what the background suggests you, the implicature to be developed, and definitely the word typology as well. Implicatures to be developed, the linguistic analysis at the syntactic and pragmatic level, or the use of figurative language. So this would be our plan to develop our thoughts about the stylistic analysis of any non-literary text. It's just the way I am doing. You may do it while following the different plans available on your different internet sites or search engines. You may explore then that as well. So the Surf Excel ad is a classic. When we are describing the text itself, it tells that it is a story. It is an ad, which is an excellent and a classic example of emotional, inspirational branding that is mixed with product promotion. Here is a breakdown of its stylistic elements, like the visual plan, like the use of the images of the advertisement, the use of the words which is given as a tagline. The visual composition tells us that a young girl on a bicycle in the middle of a road is running a bicycle on a dirt path that creates a dynamic, action-packed sense or a scene that grabs the attention of the audience. That how a girl can be dirty, or how does she save herself from dirt. The outdoor setting, that is the background, the green background, the natural light suggests the freedom, adventure, and definitely the everyday life situations we encounter. So the advertisement, as we see in this one picture, is not simply an ad. It is giving us something that is more than that relevant to our life, that is more important, and that is what we sometimes ignore but is important in our lives. The color imagery which is used in this one advertisement, I am coming towards the second point of color imagery, that it provides us that how the colors have enhanced this one picture as a whole. The use of the color in the shirt of the baby girl, the background which is green gives a natural sense, definitely gives a regeneration aspect, and definitely the dirt that gives us the example or a symbol of earthy tone of the dirt. Highlights the product's purpose. The green at the back of the child promotes growth and prosperity and regeneration as well. Typography level will give us and tells us the large and bold white text that delivers the tagline into the form of that how that one product is important with respect to the outdoor setting, that how the words are important in our life, and what word is important in this one advertisement you definitely see in your advertisement by yourself. I explain it in your syntactic level, the alt text itself at the level of syntax. The large text is falling gets me dirty, failing makes me learn. This one whole sentence gives the uppercase letters that conveys the confidence and definitely an image to memorize the whole sentence. The use of parallelism in the tagline also makes it memorable. The hashtag at the bottom of this one advertisement, that is hashtag हार को हराओ. That means meaning of defeat must be defeated with courage and confidence, which is placed definitely at the bottom of the given advertisement. And it also reinforces the inspirational message that never lose your hope. It means never lose your hope whenever you are in tough situations. The tagline and the messaging section itself is a powerful tool to convey the idea to make you a courageous child of your society. The physical dirt from falling to metaphorical failure that positions the surf excel as a solution that let you embrace challenges. That dirt is good. Remember, for all these kind of persuasive advertisements, that always the producers or the directors will develop some kind of problem, societal problem, and will give you the solution to the product which they are persuading the target audience through the advertisement. So the tone is definitely motivational, encouraging, resilience, and with a lot of positivity. The pragmatic aspect suggests us that the product is placed not only as a detergent, that is a packet to use to remove your stains, which is shown at the bottom with the brand logo and the inspirational story directly to stain removal, but it tells us that the stains are good if they let you learn something good for your future life. The target audience, we all know about the pragmatic aspect, that for whom it has been created. Definitely it is seen that families and the parents who want their kids to learn from setbacks, from the injuries, or from the all kinds of dirts, makes this ad available to them, that the solution is always provided for every problem in your life. The ad appeals to emotional values of perseverance and cleanliness at the end. The emotional appeal is also used to uplift the narrative that is falling is learning. It means something that seems to be culturally wrong. It creates a sense of positivity. So it is created through a positive branding with a positive association of the stains, rather than to make something that is not good for the kids. So it makes the product feeling essential for handling life's messes. It means let your child be missive but cleaned. The cultural context for sure is provided with the hashtag that is added. I have already announced a local flavor, connecting with regional audiences, with your societal audiences who value inspirational messages. So it means all the things, whatever has been given in this one plan, it gives us that the thing is not as much dirty as it seems to be. It is all that how do we take the things at different levels. The syntactic level suggested that this one tagline, moving from the tagline to the below line, falling gets me dirty, failing makes me learn. Sentence contains two phrases? No, these are complete clauses, yes, which are parallel. It means the technique of parallelism is applied, syntactic parallelism is applied over here, which balances the two clauses with each other. Another one thing that is important about it is finding out the hyperbole, that is it really good? Falling makes me dirty, failing makes me learn. So what do we mean by it? It's the use of hyperbole as well. It means gives some exaggerated idea that whatever is being said through the picture, it's not the same. It is more than that. Exaggerated language is metaphorical language is used by the use of sense or the idea that is provided through surf excel. It means it's a surf excel that is provided the solution to the human problem. So surf excel has been metaphorically designed through different its own other taglines, that it provides a solution, like a man to the other man. Other figurative devices could have been explored by you people if you explore it by yourself. One more thing, because of the shortage of time, I'm just going to concise or going to conclude my speech while developing the implicature for the given advertisement. Look at the advertisement again and find out the inference, what the main idea you may get as a hidden message to us. Yes, the hidden message for me, the implicature for me, stains are good if we learn from that stain. So failing gets me dirty and falling gets me dirty and failing makes me learn, gives us an idea that learning is good, and do practice your all problems again and again to get the solution, and never be afraid of the dirt or the problems that come across your life. This is the main implication that is developed in this one advertisement from my perspective. I am just discussing one, although they might be developed more than that. I hope this gives you confidence to develop a stylistic analysis of many more such kind of advertisements which you look or when you watch or when you see at different platforms. Hope I made your job easy to analyze some text. The handouts will surely be available to you about the same lecture if you want to take it, help it out to you for your life. Thank you so much. This is all about our today's lecture. We'll see you in one more non-literary text in our upcoming next lecture. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.